Jonathan Wapea presenting my ME305 project at BYU-Idaho. It is this safety device for idle stovetops. Let me show you its features.
Behold!
So this device is 4 different simple components, simply an LCD screen, a touchpad with just a 4x4, as well as a stepper motor and an accelerometer, which is contained inside of this dial that's been 3D printed. The whole casing is made of acrylic, and it is a system that is able to attach to most apartment-style ovens.
Cooking with ADHD can be difficult with electric stovetops. It's easy to step away from the kitchen area and forget that the stove is on. Rather than develop a habit of diligence, it seemed much less difficult and time-consuming to build a device to be diligent for me. In this demonstration, all that is needed to use the device is to input an estimated cook time. After the timer is set, the user is free to use the stove as normal, and once the timer expires, it will return itself to the off position. Even if the user changes the settings midway through, the accelerometer will still know its starting position and be able to correct for that at the end of the process.
So this project's due in about 3 hours, and it's not quite as good as I want it to be.
Something about this project that I want to highlight is the number of safety features that I included. Nearly every subroutine in this program has some sort of error check to make sure that the user is notified if there is a problem with their inputs or with the device itself. This project was not without its shortcomings. The stepper motor that came with my Arduino kit isn't strong enough to turn the dial itself. For this demonstration, I'm using a set of bearings to simulate its purpose. However, without a stronger motor, I'm unable to complete the project.
Ultimately, I had a lot of fun designing this project. For my first dive into electronics, I had a lot of fun. Clearly room for improvement, and I think I'd be interested in continuing to develop this idea just on my own. We'll see what happens.